self-induction and mutual induction. These both are fundamental concepts in electromagnetism related to the behavior of coils and changing magnetic fields. In self-induction, it is the phenomenon where a changing current in a coil induces an electromotive force, that is EMF, in the same coil due to changing magnetic field it produces. When current flows through a coil, it generates a magnetic field. If the current changes, the magnetic field also changes. And according to Faraday's law, a changing magnetic field induces an EMF. In self-induction, this EMF opposes the change in current. It is the property of a coil to oppose the change in current flowing through it. Depends on a number of turns, area, length of a coil and a core material. Self-induction is what? It is a simple EMF induced by a circuit by Ohm's changing current. So inductance is denoted by L, and it measures self-induction in henries, that is H. Okay. So example like inductor in DC circuit, the time constant and the sample values are also given in the slides. Mutual induction is the phenomenon where a changing current in one coil induces an EMF in a nearby coil. Changes in coil A, the changing magnetic field links with the coil B, inducing the EMF in it. This is the principle behind the transformers. Okay, so mutual inductance is a depend on the number of turns, distance between coils, orientation and the core material. So the key difference is what? In self-induction, the number of coil is a single coil. Source of EMF is changing current in the same coil. An example is the inductor in a circuit. So the self-induction is used where the control of current or generation of high voltage is required in the medicine, like MRI coils, defibrillators, medical diathermy equipment, etc. And the mutual induction is used where the power or signals need to be transferred
magnetic stimulation,
like in MRI,
how it works in the
like in wireless charging of implants like pacemakers, cochlear implants and other implantable devices,
and also the application of magnetic resonance imaging, that is MRI, where the role of coil is given,
inductions are used.
Imaging technique is given. Okay. So that's how this type of induction is used in the medical resources. Conclusion: the essentials that self and mutual induction underpin the critical biomedical devices, biomedical impact, like enable neural stimulations and diagnostic imaging advancement. Future prospect research continues expanding biomedical electromagnetic applications in various fields like physiotherapy and the techniques used in imaging of our body structures. Thank you.